In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the theme in ClickUp. Customizing your ClickUp theme is a fantastic way to tailor the app to your workflow and make it easier on your eyes. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Okay, let's start with step 1. First, you'll need to log into your ClickUp account. Open the ClickUp app or go to clickup.com and sign in with your email and password. After you've logged in, wait for your workspace to fully load. You'll see your task lists and projects. Now for step 2. You're going to open your settings. Look in the upper right corner of your screen and you'll see your profile avatar. That's your picture or initials. Click on that. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Themes. This is where you can dramatically change the look and feel of your entire ClickUp workspace. Within the Themes section, you'll see a list of available theme options. You have the choice between light mode, dark mode, and sometimes other pre-designed themes. Light mode is great for bright environments, while dark mode is fantastic for reducing eye strain in low light conditions. Experiment with each one to see what works best for you. Once you've selected your desired theme, ClickUp will automatically apply the changes instantly. It's a super quick way to personalize your experience. That's it. You've successfully changed the theme in ClickUp. Now you can enjoy a workspace that's perfectly tailored to your viewing preferences. Remember, adjusting your ClickUp theme is a simple but powerful way to boost productivity and improve your overall experience with the app. Don't hesitate to experiment with different themes until you find one you love. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.